Hey there, are you on YouTube like 1,000 other people looking for different tutorials, how to guide you through how to use various types of software? You're not alone. Wouldn't it be great to have a tutor that can walk you through how to use any piece of software out there, whether that be editing software, Excel, or even how to create a brand new AI agents? In this video, I'll show you how to do exactly that with a brand new and free Google AI Studio. Now this is V, welcome to my lab, let's get on with it. The first thing that you will need to do is to open aistudio.google.com. Now all what you need for that is just a Google account. There are some limits applied to AI Google Studio, but most users never get to encounter them. Now the first part that you will notice on the left hand side you have section to create prompt, stream real time, starter apps, and the tune model. Create prompt is just for you to put the prompts in. It will help you to create some. Streamline real time is exactly what we will be using today, sharing our screen, and so it would walk us through the software. Starter apps are various examples on how to get it going. Tune model, if you have your own data, you can quickly and easily load it through allow Google Drive button there, and if you have something in your Google Drive you will be able to load for fine-tuning quickly and easily. Last but not least, a number of prompts available in a gallery that you can start using immediately that do all sorts of different things there, from math worksheets to video Q&A. Now for our example today, we will start with stream real time. What you need to know about this one, you need to click share your screen.
Okay, I can help with that.
And
could you tell me what you would like the class to be about?
There you go. And it starts interacting with you immediately. Select entire screen. And let me give it a bit of a basic instruction. Your name is Gemini and you are assisting me to create a YouTube video tutorial where I'm showing AI Studio as a tutor that can be used to walk through the software. I will be showing you different software packages. You will need to tell me what the software is about and guide me as a beginner on how to use them. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. So you want to create a YouTube video where you show how to use AI Studio and other software packages, and you would like me to guide you as a beginner on how to use them. Is that right?
That's correct. Now the first software is on the screen. Have a look at my screen, tell me what you see and all the various elements of this software, and keep it brief.
Okay, I see two main windows. The first one is Google AI Studio, and the second window is OBS Studio. In OBS Studio, I can see elements like scenes, sources, and audio mixer.
Give me top 3 tips as the beginner of what I should consider when I start using OBS Studio to record my YouTube video.
Sure, here are 3 tips for using OBS Studio as a beginner. First, start by setting up your scene, including the sources you want to record, like your display, webcams, and microphone. Second, pay attention to your audio settings, making sure your microphone is set up correctly to avoid audio issues. Third, run a short test recording before starting your actual video to make sure everything looks and sounds as expected.
Excellent. What am I showing on the screen now? And what do I need to know about this software?
You are now showing DaVinci Resolve. It is a video editing software with a timeline, media pool, inspector, and other panels.
All right, with my mouse, I'm pointing at these elements at the bottom over here. Can you walk me through what they are and how I should be using them in my workflow when creating a YouTube video?
Okay, the icons at the bottom of DaVinci Resolve are the different workspace tabs. From left to right, they are the Media tab, Cut tab, Edit tab, Fusion tab, Color tab, Fairlight tab, and Deliver tab. These tabs allow you to navigate through the different stages of the video creation workflow.
All right, if I were to go into, let's say, Media tab, can you guide me through how to add the first media to here?
Of course, to add your first media, you can click the Media Storage button at the top left, then navigate to your video files and drag and drop them into the Media Pool panel below.
Excellent. Now let's go and create some AI agents, and we will start with a template. Now what am I showing on my screen now?
You are now showing a web page with a list of AI workflows, and a Google AI Studio tab is visible in the background.
Okay, let's pick a template. This one.
Okay, which template are you interested in trying?
This one looks to be good. I will get it going now.
Okay, I see that you selected the Generate Instagram Content from Top Trends with AI Image Generation template. Now it looks like it's loading. Is there anything else I can help you with?
I'll skip the preliminary setup, but looking at this software now, if I zoom in a little bit, could you guide me through what am I looking at and how do I go about working with it?
Sure, you are currently viewing the workflow diagram for the selected template. Each box represents a step in the automation, with arrows indicating the flow of information. To begin, you can see that the flow starts with the box on the far left, labeled Schedule Your Time to Post. Below that, you have several components with the all credentials you need: getting top trend posts on Instagram, looping data and checking key to sort on database, and analyze post content, which will eventually publish the message. To work with it, you would set up the template, adding credentials for the apps you want to use, and test the workflow to make sure it works properly.
I've just created a brand new workflow. Can you guide me through how to create a brand new AI agent in this software?
Sure, I can help with that. You have a brand new workflow, and the first step would be to click the plus sign in the middle of the screen to add the first step of your workflow.
Okay, carry on guiding me step by step. How do I create a chatbot powered by AI agent?
All right, to create a chatbot powered by AI, you need to select On Chat Message from the menu to the right of the screen. That will be the trigger for your chatbot.
What do I do next?
Now you need to add a new step. Click the plus sign below the node that says When Chat Message Received. This will allow you to select the next step for your workflow.
Done. Next.
Select the AI agent option from the menu to create your chatbot. This node will let you use AI for your chatbot's functionality.
Great stuff. Done. What's next?
Now you can configure the AI agent. You have a few options, such as selecting the specific AI agent and its source prompt. You can also set the connected chat trigger mode and specify the desired output format. Do you want me to explain any of these in more detail?
No, it's okay. Just help me to finish configuring this AI agent. What else do I need to do to make it work?
Okay, you need to connect the AI agent to the chat output. Click on the plus sign at the bottom of the agent node. This will open a new menu. Select Chat in that menu. This will complete the loop and allow the AI agent to respond to the messages.
So how do I connect this to Google Gemini chat model?
To connect your chatbot to Google Gemini, select Google Gemini Chat Model from the list on the right. After selecting it, this will now use Google Gemini as the language model for your chatbot.
I have a problem with my configuration. Can you help me to troubleshoot this?
It seems that you are missing some information for the Google Gemini Chat Model, such as the API key. To help you troubleshoot this, click the Need Help Filling Out These Fields link or Ask Assistant for instructions on how to get the required information.
I think I've deleted my API key after the last tutorial. How do I get a new one?
It looks like you need to generate a new API key. You can click on the Need Help Filling Out These Fields, Open Docs link, or the Ask Assistant for setup instructions to learn how to generate a new one from Google.
Walk me through how do I generate a new one from Google?
Okay, to generate a new API key, you will need to go to the Google Cloud Platform console. Once there, you should go to the APIs and Services section, and then create a new project or select an existing one, and finally enable the generative language API. After that, you will find instructions to create credentials and generate your API key, which you should then copy and paste to the field on your current screen.
And don't worry, I will delete that API key later.
Now that you've created and copied your API key, paste it into the API key field in the window, then click the Retry button to connect to Google Gemini.
Okay, I've created my workflow. How do I test it?
To test your workflow, click the Chat button on the bottom of the screen. This will open a chat interface where you can send a message to your chatbot and see how it responds.
So what you saw in this video, I opened up Google AI Studio. I then pointed at the various software that I need, such as how to use OBS, the software that I currently use to record my screen, how to edit the videos in DaVinci Code, and then of course how to create AI agents themselves. Would that be from a template that Google hasn't seen before as it was published only a few days ago, or a brand new one. It watches your screen, it talks to you like a trustful assistant, it guides you through step by step and helps you to troubleshoot. With a tool like that, with a trusted tutor like that knows what you are doing on your screen without the privacy concerns as it can't modify anything on your screen, you know you can rely on it to guide you through step by step and solve various challenges that you might be facing with whatever software you have installed on your PC. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Press the like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment or ping me a message. And you would like to see more videos like that, you will see on your screen the latest upload.